learning to draw is really about life, right? So this poem is called Lessons. Truth and perspective shift in my mind as my eyes move from pieces to whole. I shift forward and backward in my seat. I run out of page and nothing looks right. How do I begin the story of what this is? Begin in the middle, she says. Find your horizon line to anchor your page. Use your pencil for a point of reference. Draw what you see, not what you think you see. You can't create one object at a time and expect them to come together. Pay attention to empty space. Find the relationship between objects. The full picture is not made of individual pieces standing alone. Merge lines like chords. The harmony of overlap will create an interconnected whole. Let your hand rest for steadiness. Don't be perfect. Keep it loose and play. It will all come together in the end. I take a deep breath and begin.
Thank you.